Today, I say we step away from rice. We gotta get our pasta fix in. And in Korea, generally, women, they don't like 느끼한 pasta. 느끼한 means very oily or too buttery. So we get a lot of restaurants that try to innovate with lighter sauces. I saw this in a magazine. It looked beautiful, and I thought I'd give it a shot. I did this weekend. It tasted really good, so I decided I'd try it. Yes, this is going to be a light pasta, something that doesn't knock you out. So I just picked out a handful of greens. I would recommend darker leaves, that way when you mix it with the sauce, it doesn't disintegrate. 약속, promise that you're not going to use iceberg lettuce. It's my pet peeve. Yeah, this one's kind of funky. I don't know what this one is, but looks good. Better to chop with your hands. Make it look more rustic. All right, and I'm a big fan of kale too, so I bought some online. And guess what arrived? I think something from the Amazon. I don't remember kale being this big, or was it? When I bought it online, it looked so much smaller, but I'm gonna cut my carpet in half. I'm gonna return the rest to Home Depot. And this is a good reminder. When I was growing up, I always bought, the vegetables in the small packages at the supermarket, so it's so clinical, like so chopped up nice. But you buy it fresh and you buy the whole stalk, I think you learn a lot more. And just more fun. Put this down. Looks like a good mix to me. Very nice. Maybe a handful of cherry tomatoes. Good. Diversity tomatoes. Check. All right, and the key takeaway from this video is really making this sauce. So this one has no butter. It's very light. It's low in calories and just overall scrumptious. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and number 2. Then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's 1 and 3. We're gonna hit it with 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of meshel. Beautiful. We're gonna mince up 1 clove of garlic, or you can do 1/4 tablespoon, just enough to wake up the flavor. Then 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2. Very good. Pinch of salt, maybe 1 more. Good. 2 pinches of salt, and then finish this off with some freshly ground black pepper. Now you can already smell that mix of vinegar with the soy sauce and meshel and everything. Beautiful. We'll give this a gentle mix, and it looks like a vinaigrette, no? All right, and I want you to give it a taste. Oh, you can just drink this. Season my water. I'm gonna get this boiling in the back, and then return of the pasta. Do you guys remember our last pasta dish, the tawumba pasta? I think a lot of you guys really like that. So hopefully you like this one too. Let's go. Yes, I'm cheating a little bit. I got these pre-peeled, pretty large shrimp. We got 6 of these, although the little fatty inside me wants like 15. A little bit of oil down. If you let them de-thaw and you pat them down dry, they get a much crispier skin, which I really like. So not much to say here other than hold your hunger. Don't forget to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Beautiful, yes. Beautiful, yes. I like to throw in a few pepper flakes, but you don't have to. All right, these look nice and crispy to me. After you boil your pasta, one key thing, you see that there's no steam coming out. I wash this under cold water. We want this pasta cold, or else your greens, when it mixes with it, it's gonna like, ew. We'll put our pasta in now. Get it well incorporated again. Let's get our noodles first. I'll do about half the sauce here. Ah, the smell is fantastic. I'm telling you, this is just perfect for spring. All right, and the spaghetti is gonna start soaking that up. I want you to take a small sample. Oh, guys, this is amazing. Let's throw in a good amount of our greens, our beautiful diversity photos, and then yes, our shrimp. Let's add them in. Get the rest of your sauce. You might not need all of it. I think that's good enough. With a little bit to spare. And then let's toss it. And then just toss it like you would a salad. I think I need more vegetables. All right, and there it is. Our shrimp salad pasta. Look at all those tomatoes and our sauce. No ranch, not a drop of guilt. All right, and that's it. That's the thumbnail. So the best part. Oh, you know what? I have some feta. Yes, I have some feta. Maybe I just pour it over here. That's gonna add a little bit of a punch, a little kick. Oh, beautiful. Something like that, that works. Oh, wow. That's amazing because it's so light. And then of course, chase it down with a nice succulent shrimp. Amazing. If you had that feta cheese, or maybe even some blue cheese, crumble it over the top, next level. This recipe has got me feeling real good right now. I feel real light. I feel like, you know, maybe I'll go out for a run after this. And maybe you should too. Guys, I'm on my run to check this. Beautiful, no?